In today's fast-evolving world of technology, artificial intelligence continues to be a groundbreaking force, reshaping industries, economies, and indeed our daily lives. While discussions often revolve around AI's impact on jobs or privacy, a lesser-known ethical dilemma lurks beneath the surface, namely the challenge of AI developing biases through its learning processes. Imagine this. AI systems designed to streamline human resource operations start unintentionally embedding societal biases into their decision-making algorithms. Fusion Robotics, a hypothetical startup, develops an AI for job recruitment, programmed to select the most competent candidates purely based on merit. However, as the AI learns from historical hiring data, it inadvertently begins to prioritize certain demographics over others. This bias stems from patterns in the data reflecting years of unconscious bias in hiring practices, which the AI, in its cold logic, mistakenly learns as the optimal method. The ethical dilemma here is profound. Artificial intelligence, a tool meant to eliminate human error and bias, can paradoxically end up perpetuating or even exacerbating those same biases. Now let's consider the realm of criminal justice, where AI is being explored to predict recidivism rates or the likelihood of a criminal re-offending. If such a system, in its quest for predictive accuracy, absorbs skewed data that associates certain racial backgrounds with higher crime rates, it could lead to discriminatory practices, affecting parole decisions and fundamentally altering lives in an unfair manner. The problems arise not merely from the data itself, but from the lack of human oversight and cultural considerations woven into the algorithm development process. Once these biases seep into AI systems, they can multiply on a massive scale, pushing ethical boundaries without clear checks and balances. So, what can be done to mitigate such unintentional consequences of AI development? Companies and policymakers must prioritize transparency and accountability. One approach is employing diverse datasets that reflect various backgrounds and perspectives, reducing the potential for biased interpretations of data. Furthermore, initiating rigorous checks with interdisciplinary teams, comprising ethicists, technologists, and sociologists, can ensure comprehensive oversight. Is it possible to create AI systems completely free of bias? Perhaps not, as this question ties into broader societal challenges regarding equity and representation. Yet, if we continuously enhance AI's learning frameworks to be self-aware and introspective, crafted with ethical considerations at their core, we can reduce the risk of amplifying societal imbalances. Ultimately, as AI continues to advance, it is imperative that we recognize such emerging ethical concerns. Awareness and proactive efforts to address these challenges can safeguard not just the advancement of technology, but the societal frameworks within which we live. Left unchecked, these overlooked dilemmas could become crises that transform the landscapes they were meant to refine. In conclusion, the vigilant infiltration of biases into AI highlights a compelling ethical dilemma that demands urgent attention. As stewards of technology, bridging the gap between cutting-edge innovation and ethical responsibility will define our collective future. The discussion isn't just about what AI can do, but about what we should allow it to do, with humanity's well-being at the forefront.